Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to check which application drains battery the most on Android 16. Let's begin. It's very easy. All you want to do is simply navigate into settings, then scroll down a little and go into your battery, which is right here. Now in the battery, all you want to do is simply go to battery usage, and now, as you can see, we can view my apps. So here we have a nice screen time and background usage, and how many percent of the battery exactly each application ate or used, whatever floats your boat. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.